Have you ever felt like Deadpool's camera is just way too close? The game looks great, but the default field of view can feel restrictive, especially on larger monitors or ultra-wide displays. The good news is, you don't need a complicated mod. With one small change inside the Flawless Widescreen plugin, you can unlock a much wider FOV in just a few minutes. Let's get started. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to increase the field of view in Deadpool on PC using Flawless Widescreen. I'll walk through every step, including where the plugin is located, which file to edit, what value to change, and how to activate the new FOV in-game. Even if you've never edited a game file before, you can easily follow along. First, download and install Flawless Widescreen. Once it's installed, open the application. From the plugin list, install the Deadpool plugin if you haven't already. Wait until the installation is complete before moving on. Now open your Flawless Widescreen installation folder. Go to Plugin Cache, then fws_plugins, modules, Deadpool, dependencies, scripts. Inside this folder, you'll find a file called Deadpool.lua. Open it with any text editor, such as Notepad or Notepad++. Inside the file, search for this line, additional FOV equals sender : get scaled float, open parenthesis 5, close parenthesis. Replace the number 5 with 3. After editing, save the file. That's the only change you need to make. Now restart Flawless Widescreen, launch Deadpool. Open the Flawless Widescreen overlay and move the FOV slider until you find the camera angle that feels best for you. You'll immediately notice a wider, more comfortable field of view. And that's it. A simple one-line edit can make a huge difference to the overall gameplay experience. If this guide helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more Deadpool tutorials, PC fixes, and gaming guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.